Hello, this video will show you how to complete a filter action using the query function in Google Sheets. This video will be at the intermediate level. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. So here I have a Google Sheet that contains information on chronic diseases for all counties in the United States. And it has several different conditions: kidney disease, heart disease, lung disease, etc. To complete the filter action using query, the first thing I need to do is to name my data table. I'm going to select my entire data table. I can do that up here in the upper left-hand corner. And then under data, I'm going to give this a named range. Over here under the named range editor box, I'm going to name that chronic disease. Go ahead and say done. And now my data table has a name. To complete the filter action using the query function, I need to select a new data table, or new sheet, excuse me. So let's do that. And then here is where I'm going to specify the query function. So I can do that by typing equal query parentheses. And then I need to give the name of the table that I want to select from, which is chronic disease. And now for the select statement, I'm going to put that in quotes and say select star, which means I want to select all of the columns or fields. And then I'm going to say where C is equal to Minnesota. The select statement needs to be contained in double quotes, which it is here. So that's my select statement. The query function needs a parentheses at the beginning and also at the end. Let's go ahead and hit enter and see if this works. And indeed it does. It is getting all of the data, so all of the fields here. Okay, and I'm getting just the records for Minnesota. So these near the top are for kidney disease, and then I'm going to get lung disease here, diabetes, heart disease, etc. down below that. I'm using column C because here on the original data table, the state information is contained in column C. So let's look at that query function one more time. Now, if I want to select information from Minnesota and Wisconsin, okay, what I would need to do then is to change the following. So this is going to read where column C is Minnesota, or column C is equal to Wisconsin. You can put parentheses around your where condition if you would like to make it a little bit more readable. So now you can see that I am selecting rows where the state is equal to Minnesota or the state is equal to Wisconsin. Again, my SQL state, or excuse me, my select statement has to be in double quotes. All right, let's go ahead and see what that does. Need to take that quote off there for you. There we go. And now I'm getting information on Minnesota here to begin with. And hopefully the Wisconsin information is here as well, which it is. One more thing that I'm going to show you is notice that all of the information is obtained here. If we just want to obtain columns, say through column F here, or maybe G, and not worry about the individual race information, I can just modify my query statement by not saying star here, so where I said star, but instead what I would like to do is say columns A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, I think it is. So select star will obtain all of the columns, or I can specify a set of columns here. So now I'm going to apply a select and a filter action using this query. And when I zoom out a little bit, you can see that that additional information regarding the different races has now been excluded from this new data table. I can give this new data table a name. Name it Minnesota and Wisconsin or something meaningful. And now you can use this for your data processing steps beyond. Okay, that does it then, showing you a query action for a filter in Google Sheets. Thank you.